Here we are in Woods, Doverow Tump as we call it. Farmer's house in the distance. There's Belle. Belle, say hello. Hello. Yeah. Onwards we go. Trying to run smoothly, but not doing very well. A fallen tree, quite a big one. Nearly all beech. Path is shut off, but there's a way round. GoPro. That's more than a branch. Oh, there's one hung up there. Looks like they've cut the trees down here, so we got a wonderful view of the farmer's wind turbine. Haresfield Beacon in the background. Come forward slightly. The farm's gently. That's the farm. GoPro, stop recording. And this is the quarry. More fallen branches. What a breeze. GoPro, this is the spot where we usually see all the squirrels. No sign of them. GoPro. Looking out over Stonehouse, River Severn. Don't know what the sun's doing to the camera. Beautiful view of Muller. Used to be Dairy Crest. They kindly put a seat there so that somebody can enjoy the view. But the Severn does look nice. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, this one looks as if it's been down for some time. I wonder whether anyone's actually clearing up in here. I don't know whether it should be natural or managed. I need firewood to come up when I'm feeling stronger. Go. Well, there's a lot more undergrowth there when I was young. I suppose I hadn't long finished quarrying back in the dark ages. GoPro, stop. We're in the quarry now. Bit of a party site, this. Oh, I don't know what that was. Some sort of mobility cart? What are you doing? Lost to the evening sun. The sky's a bit bright. I don't think this is going to look very good.